It's another week, and sometimes unexpected challenges come our way, but we have to face them. The daily responsibilities that we carry must still be handled. Even with things throwing us off our rhythm, we still have stuff to get done, and the wall is top priority this week. With my husband's help, we are going to execute. Accessing the right materials, and with teamwork, we are going to make sure that my vision of this wall gets finished. Sometimes you have all the plans of the project. You think of it coming together, but actually executing is really where the challenges come in. But I am so blessed that I have support to get this project done. It's so exciting to create something of your own. Get inspired by other work, but then putting it all together in your own unique way. And this is what this project is for me. I am so excited to see this all come together. Creating cozy spaces just the way they need to be in your home is nothing that needs to be rushed, and it's nothing that needs to disturb your regular routines or your regular rhythm. I was able to just live in the in-between. And while I took the necessary pause, this vision was born. I can't say it was easy. It really was harder than I expected. But it came together, and that's all that matters. Sticking to it to ensure that a project is well done is really the essence of the structure in soft structure. The diligence, the perseverance, and the consistency. I didn't rush this. I'm really glad I took it slow. but I'm finally finished what I started. Finally finished. It reflects not where I was. It doesn't even reflect where I'm going, but it reflects where I am now. This space was not rushed. And because of that, it finally feels complete. But hey, when I approach decorating, when I approach doing a DIY, I'm always so excited. I rush it and I don't enjoy the process. This time I did. And when it was done, it was done. You know it, you feel it. You don't second guess if this wall is how you want it. That's where I am. I took my time. I made it intentional. I allowed the wall to speak to me. And now I am finally finished what I started. Finally finished.